Well, I'm out here behind the barn. Earlier today I was messing around, tried out this fabricated black whistle here for the first time. Well, I figured I might as well, while I had everything set up, get all the whistles out and give her two. So this is the first whistle here I'm going to blow. It's a Wabco, Westinghouse Air Brake Company whistle. From my understanding, they came off from cabooses, but don't take my word on that. And it's got an imperial valve. I'm not sure if that's original. It's a very interesting design. Never seen anything else like that. Anyways, let's give her two. Alright, next up is this unmarked explosion whistle. See, I got it all polished to a mirror finish, and so give it a two. And next up we got a 1.5 inch crane, original. And from now on I'm going to be using this pull cord because they get a little hard on the ears if you stand that close. And next up here we got a Leslie Typhon horn. It says 75 here. I believe that might be the model. Not sure on that though. See, it's had a pretty hard life, but still blows fine. So give her a two as well. Bit hard on the ears. Next up we have a Barco on that same 1/2 inch crane whistle valve. Next up I've got here two Airmore exhaust whistles, all in brass, piped together into one pipe. Again, 1/2 inch crane valve. Second to last whistle is going to be this 3 inch 3-chime step top, all fabricated whistle with, again, a different one, but a 1/2 inch crane whistle valve. And then last but not least, we've got here a 5 inch Lunkenheimer. Now the only original piece on this left is the Boland valve. Everything else, including the Lankwood plate, the rod through the center, the bell, the finial lever, all of that has been fabricated. So it has a very different sound from what you expect from a 5 inch Lunkenheimer, but also the valve doesn't seal very well, so I have to have a secondary valve here on the tank.